Projectile motion.
Hey Margaret, do you want to know what projectile motion is?
What's that?
Well, you see, it's a combination of a horizontal motion and a gravitational pull.
What does that mean?
So without gravity, if you threw a soccer ball in the air, then it would follow a straight line path right back down. But because of gravity, the path kind of curves. Now, Margaret, in the next step, can you catch this ball after I roll it?
Yes.
Okay. There we go. Just rolled that ball across the level surface and it remained at a constant velocity. That was because there was no component of gravitational force acting horizontally.
Oh.
When we drop this ball, it accelerates downwards and then it covers a greater vertical distance each second. And I almost forgot, a projectile is any object that moves through air or space under the influence of gravity.
Well, this is cool.
We're going to roll the ball across this table. Perfect. That roll was a horizontal roll under the influence of gravity. But if it wasn't under the influence of gravity, it would have kept rolling, going off the table, and just gone like this. The next roll is a horizontal and vertical motion. That last fall was a horizontal and vertical motion because as it fell, it went like that and kind of combined both of the two. The trajectory of a projectile that only accelerates in a vertical distance while moving at a horizontal velocity is called a parabola.
Parabola?
Another example that I have of projectile motion is from this wonderful textbook. Shoot a projectile at some angle skyward and pretend there is no gravity. After a certain amount of time, it should be so far along a certain point at the straight line path. Because of gravity, it isn't following a straight line path. It is actually right below this point. What do you think we're moving on to?
Fast-moving projectiles.
I think so too. See, as Margaret throws this ball, if gravity didn't act on it, it would follow a straight line path. But since it doesn't, it falls right below the line. Go ahead, Margaret. Good job. Earth's satellite is a projectile that falls around the Earth instead of into it. The speed of the satellite must be great enough that its falling distance matches the Earth's curvature. Otherwise, it would go right into the Earth. What did you learn most about projectile motion?
That gravity affects a lot of things.
Yo, Margaret, where are you going? She's already moving on to the next week's topic, which is satellite motion. See you next week. This video helped Margaret learn more on projectile motion. I hope it can help you.